welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another makeup challenge. And today's challenge is the one palette only challenge. So this is the only palette makeup product that is going on this face. We're going to be using brushes, of course, but this is all I can use. And these are what the colour looks like. So as you can see as well, this is also a collab with a lovely other YouTuber called Amy. Her channel is called Chasing Amy and she is also called that over on her Instagram. I'll leave a link down below to her video. Go and please check it out after this one. Show the love and support you guys give me and see how she gets on. Of course, I chose her palette as well. And if you are here from Amy's channel, hi, I'm Courtney. I am a Clueless Mua because I'm clueless at makeup. I do challenge like these and I also do makeup reviews and of course I do follow makeup tutorials to perfect my makeup skills. If that is something you want to watch and follow, then subscribe to this channel, of course. But if you also have Instagram, then head over there as well. It is clueless_MUA87. Okay, let's get into this challenge, guys. Let's see how we get on. I'm so in love with you. So the palette we are using is the Be Passionate About, and that is by Makeup Obsession. I actually got this in a pack over Christmas time. Well, sorry, after Christmas time. It's like a clearance sale. So I got this with that and I have only used it a couple of times. I don't know if this is going to work for an all over face kind of thing. We shall see. So this is what it looks like. It has luckily got some kind of shades that might go on my skin well. Might. So obviously I can't put any primer on. I have got moisturizer on just because we are putting powder on my face and I really didn't want blocking any of these pores. My skin is doing well right now and I want it to stay that way. So for foundation, I'm going to try out that shade there called Strive, which hopefully is a matching tone for me. It does look a bit yellowy. Oh, okay. Ooh, I think I'm going to be having an Oompa Loompa moment. Are you ready? I don't think anyone's eyes can be ready for this. So this is my foundation, guys. At least I know in this video, I'm only gonna offend one person. Donald Trump. Okay, let's swiftly move on. I mean, it can only get better, right? Hopefully. Contouring. We are gonna use this Covet color and let's see what shade of orange I will be next. Yeah, just going a little bit of a shade of darker. Well, guys, if you were looking for a video to just take the mick out with someone, this is the video because literally, hello. Let's get some blush on now. Let's just bring some more color to this cheeks. I think I'm gonna use this purple color here called Old Flame. Gotta give this palette one thing. It is hell pigmented. I mean pigment. Oh, like, yes, girl. Like, okay. Let's put some highlighter on now, shall we? Let's get some highlighter on. So we're going to use the shade here, Future, which is a nice white shimmery color. Okay, I'm going to use my finger. I mean, at least something looks nice. I mean, I have pigment, I just have no coverage. Spots are coming through. I mean, this is gorgeous as a highlighter. Look at that. Obviously ignore the rest of the face, but I quite like that as a highlighter. I would use that as a highlighter. So let's go with some colour. Let's take Love Letter and we're just gonna pop that. So I'm going to take that shade there, Desire, and we're just going to put that on the outer corner. I'm going to take this shade here called Pursuit, and we're going to put that on my lid. I'm going to take that shade there, Target, and we're just going to use that as a little shimmer moment. Ew. This looks terrible. That looks horrendous. Yeah, I'm gonna do the other eye. I mean, at this moment, my eyeshadow isn't really the worst of this, really, is it? Let's be honest. Let's try Energy, and we're gonna pop that on my lips. It looks so nice. It's got like a little shimmery moment. Okay, we got a nice little shimmer moment with the lips, but guys, I mean, to be fair, this is probably the best I could have ever done with this palette. Could I have done better? Not a chance with this palette. I hope this comes off. I really hope this comes off my face, or I'm just gonna cry. And I'll have to go to work orange, which is just not great. What do you think? Is orange my colour? Like, do I suit this? Donald Trump called and he wants his fake tan back. How many times can I probably use a Donald Trump joke in one video? Quite a lot, probably. So anyway guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it's been a good, funny little laugh for you guys. I hope you all cheered you up looking at this horrendousness. But anyway guys, please remember to head over to Amy's channel. Again, link for the video will be down below so you guys can check out and see how she got on with her look. I'm really excited. I haven't seen it yet, so I can't wait to see how she looks. I'm sure she's done better than me anyway. So please remember guys to stay safe, and I will see you next time. Mwah.